Hey everybody, welcome to the channel today. Today we're doing a put together box here by the MJ Holding Company called the Championship Collection. We found this on the shelf at one of our local retail stores. So it contains, as we can see here maybe, 6 factory sealed packs, 3 fat packs, and 2 memorabilia cards. So hopefully the packs are a few years old. We're going to be looking for some, the rookies from the last few years, hopefully. I'm not sure, I don't have my glasses, when this was put together this year actually, so I don't know what we'll find inside, but we're going to find out. Sure would be nice to find a Giannis rookie card from the Milwaukee Bucks. We're kind of Bucks fans here. So maybe that, or maybe something else cool. So we're going to open this guy up. Maybe, or maybe not. I didn't bring my little... Right. My mom told me never to use my teeth to open things, but... Ow. Tastes delicious. Alright. Here we go. I don't know who was in charge of making sure we had our little pack opener, but they failed. I guess that was me. Alright, so we got the box here. We're going to open her up. Alright, so here's our packs inside. We have a 1997-98 Collector's Choice. That might be cool. Who's that on the front, guys? Do you know who that is?
No.
What?
I don't.
Michael Jordan on the front.
Michael Jordan?
We have another Collector's Choice from the same year. We've got a 2006-2007 Topps card pack. Oh, here's our... The hits are underneath this pack, so we're gonna leave that down. We'll do those last and see what those are like. I've got a 2016-17 Threads, 2015-16 Donruss basketball. Here's a fat pack of Panini Complete from 2015-16. We have got here. There's Giannis on the front there. I'm not sure what year this is from. Can anybody see? It's a pack of Optic, so Optic are pretty good. Well, Optic 18, so it's probably last year's 2018 pack. And we have 2 more Optic packs. 2018-19 Optics. So not a bad assortment, I wouldn't say. There, I don't know if we can
fit all of them.
Get them on camera. So we're going to spread them out. Should we just do the hits now? Or should we save them to the end? Let's do them now? Okay. All right, here we go. Here are the hits. Not that, but underneath, the first hit is... Oh, wait. Jacob and Luke are going to get the hits. Jacob, do you want the first hit or the second hit?
First one.
First. All right, so Luke's going to get the second. First hit is... Ooh, a jersey card of Jason Richardson. Hard court materials. Very cool. All right, and the second hit is also a jersey card. Rookie exclusives. Oh, no. Dad can't pronounce it.
All right.
Induibai. I'm so sorry if I butchered your name. I have not followed basketball recently. I will have to admit to you. So very cool. 2 jersey cards for the guys for their collections. The guys here, Jacob and Luke, they have not been collecting for very long, have you guys?
No.
How long would you say?
About a month.
Maybe even not that, but yeah,
Yeah.
very recent, very recent. Yeah. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna switch seats with the guys. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 packs. 9? Oh, that means Dad gets to open one because that's not an even number. What should Dad open?
I don't know. Not the fact pack because that's mine.
There's just how about the Topps one with only 6 cards in it.
Yeah.
So I'll do this one. 2006, 2007 Topps, and then we'll get out of the way and let the guys do their thing. All right, there's Kenyon Martin right off the bottom there. All right, so Adam Morrison, people really had high hopes for him out of Gonzaga, and he did not have a particularly successful career. Although that particular year, if you got this back in 2007, you might be excited to get that card, but then, well, he failed.
Yeah,
he
failed.
But I'm sure Adam's a nice guy, and we wish him well. Coutinho Mobley. There's Marvin Williams. Come on, man. Give me a star. Eduardo Nahara. Troy Hudson. Oh, a checklist. I always hated getting checklists. I really did. Like, I don't... back in the day before the internet and all that stuff and computers, the kids would open their packs and they would use these checklist guys to check off and make sure they got all the guys in the set. And so that's why in the older sets, like from the 60s, 50s, 60s, 70s, whatever, I don't know when they started having checklists, the checklists are actually kind of worth a little bit of money, a little bit, because it's hard to find them in the older sets without checks on them. And Kenyon Martin, there we saw. He had a decent career. Not the greatest, but okay. I actually kind of like that design. That's a nice, clean design from Topps that year. I like those cards. All right, well, we're going to get out of the way, and we're going to let the guys here take turns. So, guys, what we're going to do is there's 2 packs of Optic from this year, so each of you open one of those. 2 packs of the Collector's Choice, so each of you will have one of those. And then the others, we'll just have to take turns, okay? And you can decide who opens
I'll
what.
go first.
All right, Luke is going to go first, so I'm going to just switch seats with him real quick.
Oh,
Real quick. Luke's still feeling his
soft.
his jersey card. Jersey's a little soft. All right, Luke, let's pick one. What do you want to open first? You want to try to get maybe a pull of Michael Jordan out of the Collector's Choice?
Michael Jordan.
All right, let's see if Michael's in there, or some other Hall of Famers.
Okay, can do that.
I remember Upper Deck's Collector's Choice. Collector's Choice was one of their lower cost options, geared toward maybe some younger collectors or budget collectors, so that was cool. Give the kids a chance as the price of packs continue to go up and up. Give the kids a chance to have some fun and open some packs. All right, let's see what we got here. I kind of remember this design. I might have had some of these. Ray Allen, he was fantastic for the Bucks. Went on to have a fantastic career, Hall of Fame type career. So that's a good card. Starting off with Ray Allen, started off strong.
It's stuck.
Now these older glossy cards do tend to stick together, so
yeah, they're all stuck together.
Yeah.
Who is this?
This is Lindsay Hunter.
Hunter.
Yeah, Lindsay Hunter.
And it's stuck.
Yep.
It's stuck again.
Let me give you just a quick hand, Luke. I'm just gonna take these for you for just a second. Guys, entertain the folks.
That's not entertaining.
So tell us in the comments down below exactly how entertained you were by that, and please be kind.
Are you entertained?
Because Luke, how old are you, buddy?
8.
8 years old. Jacob, how old are you?
10.
Yeah. All right. Here you go, buddy. Here's your cards.
Oh, yeah. Thanks.
All right. So Lindsay Hunter.
La la la.
And some are backwards and turned all around and upside down. And
Ooh, that'd be a game night.
Silly. NBA Game Night 97. All right, let's continue. Can't make the video too long. NBA Game Night 97 again. There you go.
There's another one.
All right.
Oh no.
Having some problems here.
You're ruining this.
Technical difficulties. This is a good job for the editor. Video editor. Help
We
us
don't
out.
have one.
That's true. We don't. Oh, we're in big trouble. Another game night. All right, let's continue on.
Yeah.
Should we hold the
checklist?
Get a checklist. We just talked about checklist. All right. Checklist challenge. Can you get all those cards?
No.
Another game night. Let's just skip the game nights. Lots of game nights in these packs. I don't know about that. Not my favorite, honestly. Right. Let's see what we got there.
Kevin Gamble.
All right, cool. Let's move right along.
Who is this? Vinny
Del Negro.
Yeah.
Yeah, he had a nice career. Vinny Del Negro was in the league for a while. All right, let's move on, please.
I just hit the camera. Okay. Hershey Hawkins.
All right. See Hawkins card.
Hershey chocolate.
Also had a decent career.
Hershey chocolate. Ronnie
Cycli. Ronnie Cycli. I remember Ronnie Cycli back from his college days. That old. Played for Syracuse, I believe.
Rex Walters.
Rex Walters, a outside shooter. Is that Ced Ceballos I see? Yeah, it is Cedric Ceballos. He had a create, and then the dunk contest guys and Cedric Sabalos will show you the video maybe later. Well, not you folks out there, because, but the guys here. He did a blindfolded dunk. It was pretty crazy. Yeah, I'll show it to you later. So Cedric Sabalos.
This is Terry Deb.
I'll show it to you folks, but I'm not sure about the copyright on such things. Maybe we can show it, maybe we can't.
Tom Hammonds.
Okay.
Probably can't show
the
it due
stuff
to
together.
copyright reasons.
Why?
Because
What?
copyright.
Copyright. Oh yeah, copyright. Copyright is important,
you guys have
kids.
your lawyer's numbers handy? Can we call and ask them? Or?
We
No?
don't have one.
All right, buddy, come on.
Terry Dahia.
All right. I see a die cut card.
Yeah, and these two. Okay. Latrell
Sprewell. He had a good career. He had some all-star caliber seasons there.
Randolph
Childress. We have an Anthony Penny Hardaway die cut card. That's
Well,
a
that
cool
is
card.
cool.
Now that is cool.
It's
I agree.
basically, technically not a normal
I agree
card.
with you, Luke. And look at that. Enter in for a sweepstakes. If we could go back in time to 1998, we could enter you into the sweepstakes, although I'm not sure it's going to do us any good today.
Yay!
All right, so that was Luke's pack. All right, Luke, why don't you pick a new pack here?
You can
I just
pick
want-
an optic
Look
one.
at this. Remember?
Yeah, remember,
Okay.
remember Luke's hit? Yeah, remember his jersey card? Let's do one of the optics. Pick one of the optics, the green optics.
The green optics, pick one, just please, pick one.
This one.
All right.
He picks.
Use his mojo.
Yeah.
Just mojo.
Let's see what he's got coming out of here. Now, this is newer, so these are the newer guys in the league. Dad doesn't know these guys quite as well, but you guys might have heard of them. Your stars of today. You kids and your stars today. In my day, we had stars like Kareem Abdul-Jabbar.
What?
It didn't
I
open!
guess you've never seen Saturday Night Live from the, what's that, the 90s? Where they had the grumpy old man? No? Well, maybe something else we can show you in the video. All right, Luke is taking the clear cellophane off
This
for some
is
reason.
impossible!
Okay, here. Let me help you.
It's impossible to open! It's
Yep, they do not want you knowing what's inside here, Luke. Oh my goodness, you're right, it is. This is like, okay, here, Dad really riffed her good there. All right, let's see what we got. We got LeBron James. What?
What?
You pulled a LeBron James, the first card.
Why are you so loud?
LeBron
Why are you so loud?
Because I don't know if the camera audio is good. I'm standing behind you, and LeBron James is what? This generation's greatest player. You
Yeah.
guys should be excited.
Why is it outlined in...
I know people, like, whenever people, they either say Kobe or LeBron James.
Yep. All right. So LeBron is in his Lakers. That is a cool card.
Why are the cards like all shiny
They are
and...
super glossy this year. This
Yeah, and
optic
the
cards.
and the people are
We
like
got Chris
outlined.
Paul, CP3, also a fantastic player.
Yay.
Yeah.
Well, we got some kind
League
of crazy card here.
leaders.
League leaders.
Who is this?
Bum.
Clint
Come
Capella.
Clint Capella Rockets.
We got a rookie.
Rookie.
Moritz Wagner.
Rookie.
All right.
Yeah.
What? Yeah. All right. Cool. So that pack was great. Look, you got a LeBron. All right. Let's see. So you've opened 2 so far. You get 2 more.
I call.
Not an optic and not a collector's choice, but you can open Donruss. You can open Threads. You can open the other optic.
Because
Fat pack.
I call Fat Pack.
All right.
Can't.
Yeah,
Well-
I can. I can call Fat Pack. I do.
Well, it's not fair to let Luke just take 4 choices.
Yeah. So
Well, Luke, what do you want to open next?
I call Fat Pack.
And this video is going to be an hour long if we don't keep it.
Okay. I'll pick. Let's go with this
The
one.
other optic. All right. We'll see if Luke can get this one open.
Yeah, hopefully.
Yeah, hopefully.
If I can, I'm fine if you call me a noob.
Yeah.
Luke is a pack noob.
Hey!
Oh, that's true. Maybe we're scrunching up the camera here.
So, guys, comment down below who's the better noob. Yeah, my dad or my little brother.
Hey, your dad's not a noob. How dare you?
Yeah,
You're a noob at Fortnite.
Yeah.
Well, that's true. And that's a big
Ooh.
part. All right. Hey, DeMarcus Cousins. I think he's
Shiny.
joined the Lakers.
Ooh.
We got
Hawkins.
We got Yao Ming. Yao Ming was from China. He had a really, really good career.
Dylan Brooks.
Oh, that's actually
Yeah.
shiny.
It is
It's a
very shiny.
one.
Got a rated rookies card of Dylan Brooks
Let's see. He's
from the Grizzlies.
bad.
Oh, how dare you. And a rated rookies card of Frank Mason III.
It looks like he's bad today.
All right, Luke, let's pick your final pack.
My
Why don't we do
final.
threads or donruss? What do you say? Which one do you want to do?
Wait, which one feels better? I think this one feels
All right,
better.
donruss. We're going to go, what year is this, Luke? Let's set up the,
It's
give the proper setup.
2015. 16 NBA.
2015, 2016 Panini Donruss basketball.
I want to open this today.
Bum, bum, bum. I think so. By now, I'm pretty sure my brother's the pack noob now. For 100%.
Well, we'll have to wait and see who's the noob.
Yeah.
Thaddeus Young.
Thaddeus Young.
Terrence Ross.
Terrence Ross. That's a nice camera shot.
James Harden.
Hey, James Harden, one of the superstars of the league today.
Make sure.
His big bushy beard, you can always see. Uh-oh, I see a cool card behind this card.
Behind us.
Okay, raise the card.
Hey, it's
Jeremy Lin.
It's Linsanity, Jeremy Lin. We've got who? Giannis. I wish I could pronounce Giannis' last name, but I'm so scared to do it on video.
I tried. Oh wait, that's.
So that is awesome. Andre Iguodala.
Okay, make sure they can see the cards, please.
Okay, so. Jeez,
And then Tim Hardaway Jr.
this is also stuck.
Bum, 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 bum. Rudy Gobert.
Carmelo Anthony.
Good back in the
Kobe
day.
series,
Kobe Bryant.
Hey, there's Kobe. We mentioned him a little while ago.
Kobe.
One of the greats. Right?
LeBron James.
Now we've got a
Passing Kings.
Passing Kings card here of Russell Westbrook.
LeBron James.
Marcelo Huertas.
Rookie card.
That's okay.
Got another rookie of
James.
Tyrus Jones.
that is Jones. We don't need to whisper, guys. And we've got the rookies of. Look, honey, the people can't see.
F Indian.
Miles Turner.
Pacers.
Mhm.
T.J. McConnell.
And T.J. McConnell. All right.
G.
That'll do it
You
for
forgot the G.
All right, Luke's gonna hop up here and exit, and Jacob's gonna sit
Wait,
there.
you said hop up and exit.
Yeah, stand up from the chair and get out of the way.
Stand up.
Luke's gonna get up out of the way.
Yeah.
Is that,
And I will roll the punishment dice by myself.
we're gonna need a punishment.
Yeah, we're gonna need a punishment dice soon, guys. That's coming soon. Well, I don't know how soon, but sometime. Alright, so.
Now, Jacob, what are you gonna do? The oldest first or newest first? How are you gonna do this? What are you gonna do?
I think I'm gonna go oldest.
You're gonna go old school? Alright, see
Yeah.
if we can pull maybe a Jordan or something out of there.
Yeah, let's see if I can pull some sort of Jordan out of here. Meh. Okay.
It's looking fairly noobish.
I can't see with the camera, I'm sorry.
Yeah, our setup isn't maybe the greatest in the world. Kind of camera's right in front of our faces.
Yeah, so we can't really see. So, let's see if we can open this from the bottom.
Luke, do you want to help your brother open the pack?
Stop!
I
No!
will.
No.
I'll help you.
I refuse. See, I opened it.
Yay.
I'm your mommy. I'll help you. Sonny boy.
Actually, in fact, our mom is not home right now. She is at work. And my first card is a memorabilia sweepstakes. What? My first card.
Die cut. Who do we have?
Where is it? Oh,
Outside.
Guard Grizzlies. Okay, wait. It's on this side. Antonio Daniels.
Cool. All right. Well, there's a
Bum,
nice
bum, bum,
die
bum.
cut card there. Very first one.
Dana Barrows.
Dana Barrows.
Ugh. Old school.
Oh yeah, there's our old glossy cards that tend to stick together all the time. So you guys out there, if you're buying some old school packs and they're glossy cards, be prepared for them to stick together.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes they stick together so bad that you get some paper loss on the cards. So
make sure you do this.
So do it carefully. Well,
Yeah.
we're gonna be careful with that too.
Yeah. Be careful. Tony Smith.
Dikembe what?
Mutombo.
Oh, Dikembe Mutombo. I'm standing too far away. Dikembe Mutombo with the finger wag. He was a fantastic player. Good defensive guy. Good rebounder.
Khalid Reeves. Tim Hardaway.
Tim Hardaway had a fantastic career.
Yeah, we saw this guy in one
Actually,
of
that was Anthony Hardaway.
Yeah.
Yeah, different guys.
Yeah, different.
That's Tim.
Yeah, that's Tim. Kobe Bryant.
Hey, you got a Kobe.
Yay!
It's an interesting camera shot there. Not my favorite. It's kind of hard to pick out the guys from the crowd.
Yeah.
But cool to get a Kobe Bryant card.
I don't want to say this. It just sounds.
Pooh.
Wait, what?
It says Pooh Richardson.
Pooh Richardson. Yeah, that's yeah. Pooh Richardson.
Please do not demonetize us, please.
Yeah, it's just a name. People.
Even though we're not monetized.
Yeah, so they can demonetize us, whatever. Kirby Kittle. Charles Oakley. Kenny Anderson. Wesley Person. Oh, stuck together there. Calbert Cheney.
Albert Cheney, Indiana Hoosier.
Sherry Abdurrahim.
Shabdur. Yeah. This is
NBA Game Nights.
Sharif Abdur Rahim. And some game night cards there. Yeah.
Game
checklist
night.
challenge.
2.
Wow, that is awesome. You got 2 checklist challenge cards. Wow, that's the best. All right, let's go to our next pack here. The video's getting a little long.
Yeah, we almost running out of time. All right, let's
stick with us, guys. Stick with us.
Please don't leave us. Don't do it, please. All right, we have 2 remaining packs after this, so video will be over shortly. Please don't judge us for beginning YouTubers.
So what do you guys think of these championship collection boxes?
Yeah.
Is it worth it? We're trying to find out. Trying to show you what's inside, see if it's worth it for you. The retail cost on this, I think, is around $21 or $22. So you can decide for yourselves
these
whether
are not sticky.
I don't think Dad paid that, but
these are not sticky, so
right,
that'll be good.
Now, what kind of cards were these? Did we set it up?
Yep.
This was Panini Complete. All right.
So Tobias Harris. We have Aaron Affolalo. Corey Brewer.
More of a throwback looking feel to these cards.
Nene.
Nene.
Yeah, that's his name. Just Nene.
Yep.
That's it. Tyreek Evans. Raymond Felton. Then we have Ish Smith. Patrick Patterson. Johnny O'Brien. Then we have Brandon Knight. Tony Parker. Tony Allen. Tyler Hansbrough. Mirza Teltovic.
So these European players can be tricky to say.
Eric Gordon. Blake Griffin. Taj Gibson. Omri Caspi. Kevin Looney. Justice Winslow. Walter Tavris, rookie card. Jalil
Okafor.
rookie card. And then Diane Waiters. Then we have Greg Monroe. And Joe Ingles. Chris Copeland, Milwaukee Bucks. Jelly Oubre Jr.
Jelly?
Yeah. Kelly.
Kelly?
Home.
Kyrie Irving.
Yeah.
Hey, there's Nene again.
Again?
Tyreek Evans.
Again?
Again, 2 Nenes.
Anderson, Varijo, Maurice Harkless, Etwan Moore, DeMar DeRozan, and then just
A couple of.
wait. What's
There's a
what?
security card, so you don't steal stuff.
It's
We've
empty.
Yeah, we've got a NBA Panini Dunk. Get the app card. Get 10 free packs.
Yeah, blah blah blah.
Blah 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 blah. All right, so that was our complete pack. We have 2 more. We're gonna try to get through here quick and wrap it up, and so you guys can tell us whether you think these boxes are worth it
Or not.
It's fun to go through. I guess it's worth it if you get somebody you like or get a hit or something.
Yeah. All right.
The packs aren't really terrible packs. They're decent. They're decent packs.
Yeah, they're decent, but I mean it's kind of hard to open because these optics. Kind of went silent there because I'm trying to open this pack. I'm trying to open the bag. It's so hard. Oh, there we go.
You're new.
Wow.
You did the same thing Luke did.
Yeah, and you're doing it more.
I'm so mad. Okay.
Jacob is now the total noob.
Can I get a layer off? It's
Yes.
sticky now.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm a complete noob.
Yeah.
I'll admit it. I'm a noob.
You're
There we finally. Okay. Hopefully I didn't damage the cards inside.
Hopefully not.
I think you did.
Let's see what we got.
All right, Alfred Payton.
All right, cool.
This is a thick card there. They're very.
There's only a few cards in the pack, and they're thick card stock. Here's a Malcolm Brogdon. He's one of our Bucks players who's really good. Fantasy Stars. Karl Anthony Towns, outstanding player.
And Brandon Knight. All right.
That was our optic. We have 1 pack left. 2016-17 Panini Threads.
All right, we'll try to go through this quickly. We only have 2 minutes. We only have 2 minutes. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Go. At least I got this one open faster.
All right.
All right. Brandon Knight, which we see here.
There he is. Oh, different team. All right.
All right, so Karis LeVert, Corin Dragic, Brandon Ingram, Tony Allen, rookie card, DeJounte Murray, Giannis something.
Hey, there's Giannis. There's our guy. NBA MVP.
Mm-hmm.
Very cool.
High octane Avery Bradley of the Celtics. Front row seat of Kyrie Irving, as you can see. Not the greatest photo ever, but let's move on. Alright. So we have Jakin Noah.
Team Noah.
DeMar McCurzon. Bradley Reel. Then we have Zach LaVine and Enz Cantier. Marcus Morris. That's.
All right, guys. So you tell us down in the comments, what do you think about this NBA Championship Collection box?